Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what DNA and its what replication. So when we talk about DNA replication, what does it mean? DNA replication is all about what when cells what it's a process through which what cells create exact copies of their DNA molecules. They what create exact copies of their DNA molecules. So now we are going to talk about what the double what helix of the double helix molecule of DNA. So what DNA is a nucleic acid in the twins of chromosomes and genes in the cell nucleus. So for example, if you check in the cell, if you use a microscope and check in the cell, so you find a rod-like structure inside the nucleus called chromosomes. Inside the chromosomes, you see it has two strands that are called chromatides, and the chromatides are joined to the center called centromere. So inside the chromatides, you see what the DNA is found there. There are nucleic acid, the ribonucleic acid are found there. You have DNA and RNA, but the DNA is mainly composed of what? It's mainly composed of what? We have pentose sugar, phosphate group, and nitrogenous bases. So inside there we have pentose sugar, nitrogenous bases, and what? And phosphate group. Now let's take a look about the double helix of the DNA molecule. So we have DNA is a nucleic acid. It is the main constituent of chromosomes and genes in the cell nucleus. Okay, the DNA in every cell contains all the same information as the original fertilized egg the organism developed from. The structure of the DNA is complex. However, the work of the scientists Watson and Craig shows the DNA resembles a twisted cable of zipping apart. The structure is known as double helix. It consists of two helix joined together by pairing a complementary base. We all know the complementary. We have adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil or thymine. Any one. Then if it is DNA, we have adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. But if it is RNA, we have instead of the thymine we have what? Instead of thymine we have uracil. Then what? Guanine, cytosine, and what? Uracil. Okay.